Baked lasagna with meat sauce. A main dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Prepare the meat sauce and set aside. Butter a large, shallow casserole, preferably either rectangular or square. Step 2. Make the bechamel sauce by gently heating the milk with a bay leaf and mace in a small saucepan. Melt the butter in a medium heavy-bottomed pan. Add the flour and mix well with a wire whisk. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Make the pasta. Strain the hot milk into the flour and butter before cutting it into rectangles measuring about 4.5 inches wide
stirring
and the same
constantly
length
and
as the
cook for
casserole.
4 to 5 minutes
This will make
more.
it easier to
Season
assemble the
with salt and
lasagna
pepper
later.
and set aside.
Step
Preheat
4.
the oven to 400
Bring a very
degrees
large pan
Fahrenheit.
of water to a boil. Place a large bowl of cold water near the stove. Cover a work surface with a tablecloth. Add salt to the rapidly boiling water. Drop in 3 or 4 pasta rectangles. To assemble the lasagna,
Cook very briefly,
spread 1 large
about 30
spoonful of the meat
seconds.
sauce over the
Remove
bottom of
from
the
the
dish.
pan,
Using
arrange
a slotted
a layer of
spoon
pasta
and
in the
drop
dish,
into the cold
cutting it
water
with a
for
sharp
about 30
knife so that it
seconds.
fits well.
Pull them out of the water, shaking off
Step
the excess
6.
water. Cover with
Lay
a
them
thin
out
layer
flat
of meat
without
sauce,
overlapping
then
on the
one of
tablecloth.
bechamel.
Continue
Sprinkle
with
with
all
all
the
the remaining
cheese.
pasta and trimming. Repeat the layers in the same order, ending with a layer of pasta coated with bechamel. Do until make more than
Step
about
7.
6 layers of pasta.
Bake in the preheated
Use
oven
the
for
pasta
20
trimmings
minutes
to patch
or
any
until
gaps
brown
in
on
the
top.
pasta. Remove
Sprinkle
from
the
the
oven
oven
with
and let
grated
stand for
Parmesan
about
cheese
5 minutes
and dot
before
with butter.
serving. Serve directly from the dish, cutting out rectangular or
Country
square
Reports,
sections for each
culture,
helping. Countries, travel,